So hello and welcome everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning about the algorithm of breadth first search and also we'll be looking into the working of this algorithm. And in the end, we'll have a short discussion on the applications of breadth first search in real world. So let's start off by understanding the algorithm of breadth first search. So first, patiently learn this algorithm, then we'll move on to the working of BFS. So firstly, I'll be having a function. I have named it as BFS tree. As you can see over here, it will be receiving an argument root, which is the root node of my search tree. Inside the function, firstly, I'll be declaring a frontier. So as we know that BFS uses queue data structure as frontier. So I'll be declaring a queue. In the next step, I'll be initializing the frontier with the root node. Now this statement is followed by a while loop. And from this while loop, the main working of the BFS starts. The while loop will keep on iterating till the frontier is not empty. Meaning if the frontier becomes empty, then the while loop would stop. So inside my while loop, I'll be removing an element from the queue with the help of this statement, and I'll be assigning that fetched element to this node variable, which will be containing my nodes. As you can see, I have mentioned over here that the removal of elements from the queue will be in FIFO manner, meaning first in first out manner, as it is a queue data structure. After that, I'll be taking a state variable and assign it with state associated with the extracted node. The equivalent state would be evaluated through this state function, and that value would be assigned to this state variable. That's how the process would take place with the help of state function. So now I'll be performing a goal test, and that process would be done with the help of goal test function. We'll be checking if the current state is the goal state or not. And if this statement is true, I'll be simply returning the solution associated with that node. So solution is a separate function which is used to return a value. So now for the condition, if this goal test is not satisfied, now the expansion of this node would take place with the help of expand function. So here the expand function would be returning all the child nodes of this argument node, right? And all the nodes that we have got from the expand function will be adding to our queue frontier. While loop will keep on iterating like this until my queue frontier is not empty or a solution is being returned from the while loop. Now suppose if this while loop keeps on iterating and we reach to a point that we completely exhaust our search tree, so it means that the goal state that we are trying to search, so in that case, I'll be returning no solution, meaning the goal state that we are trying to search doesn't exist, right? So this was about the algorithm of breadth first search. Now let's try to understand the working of BFS by taking an example of a search tree. This is my root node A, and initially I'll be having A inside my root node. So the exploration of the search space starts by fetching an element from the frontier, which in this case is Q. We'll get the node A. So I'll be removing this from the fringe. So we are here. So I'll be asking the goal test, is this the goal? If the condition is not satisfied, I'll be exploring this A node and getting its children B and C. Here I'll be adding the children of A in left to right manner. So first B will go inside the queue and then C will go inside the queue. So this was the exploration of node A. Now again I'll be fetching an element from this queue frontier. I'll get B node. First I'll be asking my goal test function, is this the goal? If the condition is false, as we can see B is having only one child, D. So I'll be adding this to the fringe. After that, C will be taken out from the queue and explode. First we'll be checking, is this the goal? If the condition is false, again we'll be adding the children of C in this queue frontier, and this entire searching process keeps on going until we find a goal node or we completely exhaust the search space, meaning our goal is not present in the search space or goal not found. So that's how the BFS search algorithm works.
Let's now understand the application of breadth first search in real world. The first one is network routing. BFS is used in finding the shortest path between network nodes. The next one is web crawling. Search engines often use BFS to index web pages. So this was about the application of BFS. Hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.